Welcome friends in lecture 7, lesson 2, acid, base and salt in science. Fine, we are going to today start with bleaching powder. In case of bleaching powder is basically a yellowish color substance, and this yellowish color powder is having a smell of chlorine, as if it is a transparent solution, but due to the presence of impurities inside, it turns slightly pale yellowish by its nature, as if it is a clear solution. The chemical name of the bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite, right. Now how to prepare it? So the chlorine gas which is obtained from chlor-alkyl process is passed on a dry solid particles of calcium hydroxide known as slag lime. This particular slag lime is treated with chlorine gas, and the chemical formula you are seeing, calcium hydroxide treated with chlorine gas, gives us calcium hypochlorite plus water molecules. This hypochlorite is nothing but bleaching powder. Now the uses of bleaching powder. In the case of uses of bleaching powder, the common use of bleaching in our sources is nothing but bleaching used for white clothes, to clean the any dirt spots on the white clothes, especially for white clothes. Why? Because if you use bleaching on the color clothes, it might run off with the colors also, that is, it might remove the dyes of the colors and it might faint the color, so it looks very bad when it forms a patches on it. So be precautive for that particular part also. It is used for cleansing dirty clothes, but basically white clothes, or if you don't understand how to use it, to give to the laundry people uses this bleaching in a better form. Bleaching agents are used for cleansing cotton and linen, the same base material, in the textile industry. It is also used as a strong oxidizing agent and used for oxidizing in many industry, oxidizer as in many industry. It is also used as a disinfectant and used for drinking water, that if you can't if you find this water is slightly smellful or feel like that it might be germful, you might put a small amount of bleaching, not a big amount, very small amount of bleaching powder, or maybe the solution of bleaching inside the 1000 liter tank, maybe 10-15 ml. So it might kill the germs which are present inside and it might clear the water. Fine. So it is used as a disinfectant, so infection is finished in a potable water. Fine. So these are the major uses of bleaching powder. Next we are going to learn is a preparation of baking soda and washing soda. These two ingredients, baking soda and washing soda, are prepared by a single process known as an solvery process. Now in solvery process, the main ingredients is brine, again, because these all are concept for the common salt. So this is another preparation from the common salt, that is brine is nothing but a mixture of NaCl plus water molecules. So first for the formation of baking soda, and second is the preparation for washing soda. In this solvery process, four ingredients are major. One is NaCl, you may see into the formula also, NaCl plus water molecules, ammonia, ammonia, carbon dioxide, NaCl and water molecules. These are the major four ingredients starting of a solvery process. So the mixture of these two, NaCl plus water molecules, known as brine, these two gases are allowed to pass, and as if these two gases are allowed to pass, the two products are formed. The first is NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride, and the second product is NaHCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate. So the major product that we want here is sodium bicarbonate, that is nothing but baking soda. So the first baking soda is formed. From this particular baking soda, the next reaction is then the baking soda collected and heated at 300 degrees Celsius approximately. It decomposes and forms sodium carbonate, that is Na2CO3, and water molecules and carbon dioxide is formed. So this is how two major products are obtained, that is NaHCO3, that is nothing but baking soda, and Na2CO3 is washing soda. Fine. Now the uses of baking soda. In the case of uses of baking soda, that is NaHCO3, the first use is it is used as a mixture with water, and mixture with water as an antacid. So treatment for indigestion, that is overeating or sometimes acidity problem. In advertises also we are seeing that 6 seconds and it goes away, ENO. Fine. So ENO contains nothing but NaHCO3, that is baking soda. So it creates a bubbles of carbon dioxide as you put inside the water and you drink it with it. It creates salt water that is reacting with an hydrochloric acid inside your stomach. Overeating creates more acid, so it treats with an acid, turns salt water, and the carbon dioxide is formed. You may see the reaction also here, that is NaCO3 reacts with hydrochloric acid of your stomach, forms NaCl, here forms NaCl, water molecules and the carbon dioxide gas is formed. Now due to this, another use of NaHCO3 is soap formation. Soap form due when it is spread in a fire extinguisher. So fire extinguisher is nothing but a mixture of NaCO3 plus sulfuric acid and it forms a foam. It is used as an pesticides also in pharmaceutical farming, sorry. So used as an pesticides to kill pest, right. The important another product, another major use of baking soda is baking industry. Itself is known as an baking soda, used in baking industry to make things puffy, that is make puffy things like idli, dokla and all, and khaman and all. This NH4Cl known as an kharo is put inside, right, and it forms carbon dioxide in this puffy solution, makes the things very spongy and soft. So cakes, then breads and all this, you are seeing that it is quite puffy and it is spongy and soft by its nature. So it is a mixture of tartaric acid and NHCO3 which is used. Here you are seeing NHCO3 used with an addition of acid like tartaric forms Na plus carbon dioxide, that is salts of sodium with an acid, carbon dioxide and water molecules. Carbon dioxide is the main component which is formed here. Also it is used in ear drops and cosmetic products. Cosmetic product base material is NaCO3 which is used as an cosmetic product. Fine. So these are the uses of baking soda. The next is the uses of that is Na2CO3, that is washing soda. Na2CO3 dot 10 H2O, that is it's a water of hydration. We are going to learn that topic next in further more chapter. So this washing soda is a white color crystalline powder. It's a sodium deca, 10 molecules is called as deca. So sodium decahydrated basic salt, right. Sodium decahydrated, deca means 10, decahydrated, hydration means water. So decahydrated basic salt, it's basic by its nature. You may see with the formula also, and it is when this 10 molecules is heated. So Na2CO3 with 10 molecules is heated, that is decahydrated is heated, it forms an anhydrous salt. Anhydrous salt is known as soda ash. Now you are seeing the reaction also, that is Na2CO3 reacting with 10 molecules of water and heated, that is not reacted, it heated, you form first of all monohydrated, from monohydrated it loses one more molecule also and turns to Na2CO3. Whenever the water is put inside back, it forms another means again back to decahydrated form, right. Now what are the uses of this particular washing soda? As we know, it is used as a cleansing agent in an industry, even in the household purposes like soaps and detergents, this is used, known itself as an washing soda. It is used in paper industry, this is used in all major industries, paper industry, textile industry, they are all major industries used for everyday purposes. It is used for the processing of softening of hard water. Now what is an hard water? Hard water contains magnesium and calcium salts. So this sodium molecule which is present in Na2CO3 mixes with this magnesium and calcium salts and makes it insoluble, and it is being taken out. So it makes an hard water which is a soluble salt into insoluble, making it soft water. So permanent hardness of the water can be removed. It is also used in the glass industries. A major product, these are major products used in glass industry also for the manufacturing of glass. Without this, these industries cannot run. It is also used in manufacturing of sodium compounds such as borax. Borax is also used for many different purposes containing sodium, that is Na2B4O7 containing boron inside. Fine. So, these are the major uses of sodium hydroxide and big that is sodium carbonate, sodium carbonate and NaCO3, that is sodium bicarbonate. So, these are the major uses. So, I hope so you learned this particular part. So, thank you for this particular lecture.